Okay guys, it is here, finally, what I've been waiting for after all the hype, hearing everyone bang on about them and how good they are from a fitness point of view. We've got the Apple Watch 5. So this should be the all singing, all dancing Apple Watch. I should be able to sync this with my SIM card, so I don't need my phone on me all the time, and it's going to be really interesting just from when I'm doing workouts and things like that. I'm going to be able to log straight into my Apple Watch from my Strong app, which should avoid me having to have my phone on me all of the time. Not quite sure how it's going to work. I've never had one of these before, but my Breitling's got to go into the shop. I'm going to lose that for probably about 3 months. I don't really want to be without a watch, so I thought it'd be the ideal time to try it, find out if these are as good as what everyone says they are, and just how useful they are from a fitness point of view. So let's see what we got in the box. Okay, so the box, 2 more boxes. Alright, so let's get in here, shall we? And for the 44mm one, not really that much to look at really, is it? We just want to work out which way is up. And then we have it. Let's work out how to turn it on. Okay, so long and short, needs charging, which doesn't make for a good video, so I'm going to leave that on charge. I'm going to get it set up on my phone, and then we're going to get in and see a few of the cool things that it can do. Going to hit the gym, quick home workout, Monday, so we're going to be doing some chest and some arms, end with my staple kind of ab routine. Going to be using the Strong app like I always do, but today we're going to be testing this bad boy, and I want to see basically how quick and easily I can log my workout without having to dick around with my phone the whole time. So let's see how quick we can get it done. Okay, so we are gonna get into the apps, find the Strong app, and simply gonna go down to Monday routine, boom. And we're in. Basically, in we go. So we're just gonna warm up, I'm gonna hit it. Let's do chest. For a chance to really make it. This life is so abrasive. So I almost gave it. All this that I'm laying, and it's only the foundation. Okay, so one thing that I'm really quite enjoying is the minute I hit on here, basically I tell the watch what I want as my rest set. Once I hit that, to track what I've done, it basically counts me down on how long I've set for my rest, so I know that I'm giving my body enough time to rest in between each set. Obviously you can just skip the rest set if you want, so for the warm-ups, if you don't really want to give yourself that much time between it, it's not a big deal. But obviously when you get to kind of like your heavy sets, you want to make sure that you're giving yourself a good 3 minutes to kind of just get your breath back and recover, so you can put the maximum amount of energy into the next set. So yeah. Beat it to a beat, that's how I realize that I'm not the man I wanna be. I've been running for myself, we all afraid to die alone. Forget us all I ever be. I've been scrolling down a feed, afraid we never get to see the type of liberation that we really need to set us all free. I went out of my. If you haven't got one of these, Arm Blaster, do yourself a favour, check them out, buy one. They're cheap as chips, they lock you out, you pop flakes on your arms. Get one. Okay, so workout done, and I've got to be honest, I really enjoyed using this for it. Normally I've got to kind of keep getting my phone, picking it up, putting it down, getting back into it because it's logged out. Whereas with this, it literally knows my rest intervals, so buzz, tell me that I need to get my ass in gear, tells me what my next set is. I can use the crown, just kind of scroll through and adjust if I've got more reps, less reps, if I've up the weight, down the weight. But if we're going for progressive overload, we should just be gradually increasing our rep range and then upping our weight after that. So there's not really a lot of adjustments to make. It also gives some really good feedback on, you know, supposed calorie burns, my heart rate throughout. So some really, really good stuff there. So when it comes to pairing the Apple Watch with the Strong app, I've got to be honest, I'm really enjoying wearing it so far. I've only been using it for a couple of days, so I've not really had a chance to kind of set it all up and work it all out. Obviously it's got all the other stuff that you'd expect from Apple that's all involved in there, but when it comes to training with it, I've got to be honest, I probably will keep going with this, because I think just the ease of use and being able to leave my phone, say in my gym bag when I do go back to the gym, or not having to take my phone over here with me. Also, I can kind of sync this to my Apple EarPods, which means that I don't have to have my phone anywhere near me. I can control everything from the Apple Watch. So yeah, first gym session in, got to be honest, really enjoyed it. So I'd love to know what you guys and girls kind of think, whether you've been using yours for a while, how you find it. The only thing that I want to test out a little bit more is my Fitness Pal, because I had a little play with it yesterday, and from what I can understand, you can literally just put in your calories into it. There's no real way of saying, yeah, this meal or that meal. I mean, it's got no scanner, so I know that you're not going to be able to, you know, scan different barcodes. You still you have to use your phone for that. But, you know, I would have thought that my Fitness Pal would have been a bit more intuitive, so it would be a bit disappointing if you can only input the calories, but, you know, it's not the end of the world. The main thing for me is when you're training, you don't want to be having to lug a load of stuff around with you, so if you can just use your watch and still log it all, then happy days. So yeah, that is my take for now.